Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best school backpacks that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Mancro Anti-Theft Water-Resistant College Backpack. Boasting of many unique features, this backpack is necessary to have for college students looking for a model that is practical to use. You will love the college-friendly features that make your life as a student simple. For instance, this model comes with an inbuilt charging cable that lets you charge your gadgets without removing them from the backpack. It also comes with theft-proof combination and durable metal zippers to keep your stuff safe. When it comes to ease of access and organizing your stuff, this backpack comes with 3 main pockets, 2 sealed side pockets as well as 9 inner pockets. Besides, the model is made of water-resistant materials, so you do not have to worry about your books and gadgets being damaged in case you are caught in the rain before you enter a classroom. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the MATEIN Water-Resistant College School Computer Bag. When going to school, you do not need an oversized backpack. This backpack is conveniently designed to cater for your need. The first thing that makes this model stand out is the compact yet lightweight design. You will also love the minimalist-looking exterior, especially if you value simplicity. The model also boasts of various features that make it perfect for everyday use. Besides the simple look, this backpack comes with a hidden theft-proof pocket designed to keep your valuables. This pocket will help you keep your money, passport and credit cards secure. Additionally, we also love the multi-panel airflow system on the back panel and straps that provide relief even when you are carrying heavy loads. At number 3, we have the Amazon Basics Classic Backpack. Carry your books, laptop, and other everyday essentials to school with this backpack from Amazon Basics. Comfortable, lightweight, and functional are the best words that can be used to describe this backpack. This makes it effective in transporting your school supplies from your dorm room or home to class and back. You can also use this backpack for traveling or as a daypack if you are planning for excursions and field trips. This classic backpack comes with a large main compartment, front pocket and 2 side pockets with Velcro closures. To boost the user comfort, this backpack comes with well-padded shoulder straps and back panels. This will allow you to stay comfortable even when you are carrying the backpack for long trips or under heavy loads. At number 2, we have the Leaper Casual Laptop Backpack School Bag. This cute school backpack by Leaper Casual is beyond perfect. We love the simple yet stylish design that allows you to make a fashion statement. The backpack also comes with a couple of secret pockets where you can keep your valuables and money hidden. Despite the slim design, this backpack will carry more than you can expect. Its main compartment is large enough to accommodate various school necessaries including A4 files, books, notebooks and a small laptop measuring up to 14 inches. This backpack boasts of multiple other smaller pockets including a front pocket that comes with a buckle closure, 2 elasticized side pocket for carrying a water bottle as well as 2 smaller pockets for holding your keys, cell phones or as well as other smaller electronics. What's more, this backpack also comes with padded back and padded, adjustable straps making it easy to carry. And finally, at number 1, we have the Vaschy Casual Water-resistant School Backpack. The Vaschy Casual Backpack unique design is fashion statement, giving it an edge over the other competitors. It combines functionality and durability, making it one of the most versatile models to purchase. Boasting of a heavy-duty polyester construction materials, you can be sure that your stuff is safe from water damage in case you are caught up in the rain. The bag comes with a large main compartment that has a durable zipper closure. It also has a well-padded sleeve that accommodates laptops. Those measures up to 15.6 inches. What's more, this backpack comes with other pockets that make it easy to access and organize your stuff. This includes the mesh pocket as well as 2 slip pockets. When it comes to the user comfort, this backpack comes with padded and breathable back panels and straps that ensure that the weight is well distributed for comfortable carrying. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.